Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today, guys, say bye bye to poverty. This video is bye bye to poverty by special grace of Almighty God. This break will lock, this break open doors, this break connection. This will make money to last long in your hand. If at the type money does not stay with you, money will definitely stay with you. So, you are negative energy. We have nothing to do in common. Okay, so for your best experience, you are to do this every Saturday. That is every Saturday night when you are going to enter new week, so that week you will be favored. Okay, all you need is just onions, Fanta, and cinnamon. These are the three items you are going to need, and the alligator pepper you are going to use on yourself before doing this. Okay. This is the Seer channel. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit that like button. Do well to hit that subscription button. And if you find this video helpful, do well to hit that like button. Okay. All right, guys. Now, I'm not going to waste your time today. I will go straight to the point. We all know that everything in life is energy. There are some people that will come around you, even if you just feel like not to help them, you just be angry, just because, as in that of what the enemy has. Between you and each and every man, there is a door. Between men there are doors. Okay, and if those doors are shut, there is no way that person is going to help you. Even if that person is your uncle, that person is your brother, that person is your auntie, that person is your father, once that door between you and your father has been shut, once that door between you and your uncle has been shut, once that door between you and your best friend has been shut, and it has been closed. You understand? That's what I mean. So once the door between you and somebody has been closed spiritually, there is no way that person is going to help you, no matter how that person likes you. Even if the person wish to help you, the person will like, if the person will not even know why is it that he's not helping you. The person might wish to help you, but he will just feel a lot about it. Okay, so that's just the honest truth about it. So between you and any man, there's a door, and if that door is closed, there's no way that person is going to help you. No matter how that person try, there must be reasons why that person will not help you. Anytime the person wish to help you, something will come up. And once you have a spiritual problem, or maybe there's negative energy around you, once you go close to that person, even if that door will automatically close. Anytime you go to a place that is good, anytime you go to a place you're supposed to get help, immediately you get. Anytime you go to a place, maybe you go for an interview, that door will be immediately closed, because that is what causes. That's what the enemy does. Okay, there's something that does on you spiritually, that anywhere you go, that door of help, that door of favor door will automatically get closed. Okay, so this is what this video is all about: how you calibrate yourself from such thing. Now, so depending on the level of how you are now, depending on the level of your current situation, will determine what you are going to do, how you are going to do it. Now, what this is what you are going to do: one, get Fanta, either the rubber Fanta or the bottle Fanta. Fanta is Fanta. Okay, get Fanta. Two, get a medium sized onion, like the one you are seeing on the screen. Okay, get the onions. Okay, then three, get alligator pepper. Now, this is what you are going to do. If like today is Friday, you cut the onions and soak it overnight. Okay, like Friday, you can cut it in the morning, then soak the onion inside water, leave the onion inside that water till the next day, which is Saturday night. You are going to do it. Then the fata you bought, you are going to pour it inside your bathing water. Okay, you pour the whole fata inside your bathing water. Then the soaked onions, you will squeeze out the water from the onions. Then that water, you turn it to your bathing water. After you have turned the water to your bathing water, then the water is set for you. Then you get 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it in your mouth, chew it, be making prayer for yourself while you blow the spit on your body. You are not going to swallow the spit. Remember, your mouth will be pepperish because of the alligator pepper. So you'll be blowing it in your body. You can face up, blow it up while the spit will keep coming back to your face. You keep making your prayers, you keep making your prayers, you keep making your prayers while you are chewing the alligator pepper, be pouring the spit on your body. As you are doing this, make sure you are naked, and you are going to do it in a bathroom where you are going to bath. Okay, so after you are done doing this, then you will now get the water. Then if you want to bath, okay, make sure you know where the sun rises. Okay, you have to face where the sun rises, as in if the sun is coming out, you can try to notice that in the morning and see where the sun is coming out. Try to notice where the sun rises, because that's where you are going to face. Okay, so you face where the sun rises while you take your bath with the fata, the onions, and that water. Remember, you're going to mix the fata, the onion water inside the water you are going to bath with. So you are not going to use something to fetch water, okay, you are not going to use something to fetch water on your body. You are going to use your hand to pour the water on your body. You must face where the sun rises. So you'll be using that your empty hand to pour the water on your body without taking anything. So without using rubber to fetch water for your body. So when you are done making your prayers, when you are done taking the bath, you must finish the water, okay? When you are done making your prayer, when you are done taking your bath, then you leave the bathroom and go inside. I will leave the bathroom, go to your bed, okay? Make sure you're not going to. We are doing this way. You're not going to talk to the person again. And there has to be Saturdays. Yes, you have to be Saturday so that you enter new week with clean energy. Okay, so you have to do this Saturday. Okay, so when you are done with your bath, remember you are not going to use anything to dry yourself. And when taking this bath, you are not neither going to use any sponge or you are neither going to use any soap. Only the water you bath with. You are not going to use sponge. You are not going to use soap. You are not going to use something that fetch the water and be fetching the water and pouring on your body. You are going to use your hand to pour the water on your body. And after taking the bath, you are not going to dry yourself with anything. Just put on what you need to put on, then go and sleep. Let the breeze dry dry your body. And remember, when taking this bath, you must face where the sun rises. Okay. If you find this video helpful so far, hit that like button. And if there's anything you do not understand, ask your question in the comment section. I will get back to you so that you will not make mistake. Okay. Waiting for you. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, let me know in the comment section. I want to join your WhatsApp group.